Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Kiki coming at you with another video, and today I'm going to be making this really pretty DIY glam wreath with all materials that I got from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned to see how I made it. This right here is the wreath. I have small bulbs and I have bigger bulbs. And these are little shiny, pretty pine cones and the ornaments. So what I'm doing here is showing you the silk flowers that will be on the wreath and those things, whatever they're called. So here I am preparing the wreath, just taking the wrapper off, and then I am wrapping the wreath parts underneath. If you wanted to have that look or have them on there, that's fine, but I just chose to have a smoother look. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just taking the silk flowers off of their stem, laying them out, seeing how I want them to lay before I glue them on in a later part of the video. And then I'm taking the leaves off so that they can lay a little bit flatter to the wreath. And I'm showing you guys here. And the silk flowers. Then I took the bulbs out. So I have silver, gold, and rose gold, as you guys saw. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to lay the bulbs out, the ones that are going to be around the outside or the perimeter, so that I kind of know what I'm working with, so I don't have to scramble and it's a little bit more neat and I can see what I'm doing. So this is the easy part, you guys, the easy part. All you have to do is take the strings that come with the ornaments and tie them on. If you wanted to use a firmer string or a more sturdy string, that's up to you. They sell twine at the dollar store as well. So you can go to their little auto section and get that, but these work totally perfect. All you have to do is tie it tight and then tie it again. And that's literally all I did for all of them. So as you can see, I'm just sticking the string in and putting it underneath and tying it. Now I turned the wreath over so the bulbs were touching the table, because this made it easier for me to tie the string on and tie the ornament on. And it's pretty self-explanatory, you guys, from this part. You just keep tying, keep putting the string through the ornament, and just tie it and tie it and tie it. It's pretty easy. Here I'm just flipping it over and I'm pushing them towards the outside of the wreath, because that's where I want them to lay. And then I'm going to take the smaller bulbs and I'm going to tie them on. So pretty much kind of like in the same color pattern, color scheme, I'm just tying them on. They come with the same string as the big bulbs. You can just tie it on. And here I am showing you kind of like how it looks. And I'm showing you more progress as I'm getting farther along. And here I'm showing you that this part needs to be filled in, so that's what I'm doing now. And that is what it's starting to look like. It's starting to look pretty. Trust me, it's going to look a hot mess, but it will come together, guys. I promise. So don't worry if yours isn't quite coming together. Alright, so now I'm just positioning the flowers back on like I had them before. And literally all I am doing is taking my E6000 glue and gluing them onto the wreath. And the E6000 is the only thing that I did not get from the dollar store. You can get that from Family Dollar or other places, and I will put a link down below where I get my E6000 for really cheap. Like, I get a big bottle really cheap, free shipping. I always get like 2 or 3 bottles at a time. So if you ever need it, I'm gonna put that below for you. So here are those pretty sparkly pine cones. Same thing, E6000, glue them on. And those little berry things, same thing, just glue them on. And the last part, the ornaments. So all I did with the ornament was tie it on. And here's the finished product. You can see the ornament up there on the right hand side. And I am showing you guys here what it looks like while it's hanging inside. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like outside. And there you have it, you guys, your own DIY glam wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.